See if I can squeeze through this. Oh, flashlight just fell out of my pocket. Where'd that go? There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hi, I'm Honey. We're at this big building that we found. We're gonna attempt to get into it.
Well, at least check it out.
Or at least check it out, yeah. It's a big no chain right there.
Well, now we're in Olive, right?
Olive branch, yes.
Olive
or
branch.
olive, something like that. Careful, there's holes everywhere.
I see this.
Critters.
Pigeons.
There's a lot of pigeons around here. Ah, thistles. I don't like this selfie stick. It's so loud. This is a dumb adventure. This big dude. Got stuff on it. It's a thing. Probably did stuff. Cool looking place. Very neat.
We'll say it looks like they got this place pretty sealed off.
Yeah.
It's huge.
It is huge. There's like a broken window or two here and there, but...
Yeah, it's pretty unscathed for the most part. I want to look in the window hole. I'm so excited. What's in here?
You want a flashlight?
Absolutely nothing. Oh, come on. There we go. There we go. Don't really need one. It's a lot of nothing. Well, hey, that's cool. Don't really need to break in or nothing.
The inside.
Neat.
Air conditioning company. Olive Hill, that's what it is. The inside. Air conditioning company. I want to look. Oh. Just a big, huge, empty building. There's like some stuff. Oh, it's a big drop down too, damn. Right. Mr. Tiki, quit falling. So apparently in Olive Hill, Kentucky, there's just a giant empty warehouse. It's kind of astonishing. Nobody's like done anything with it. Nice
Yeah, it doesn't
space.
even look that bad inside.
Right? It's okay, parking's back here. They're not responsible for thefts though. It's so bright. It's too bright. Can't see. Oh, it's the same building. Okay, pretty sure there's an open door on the front half of this building.
It probably is. Oh. Cool. Oh.
Two buildings. Weird little connector thing. Doubtful. Worth a try though. I think they're sealed up good. Is there anything in it?
Hard to tell. Like a steel one. Or something. So much land.
This building's enormous. I'm over this walk.
It really is a big building. Yeah, a lot going on here.
I was not prepared to hike.
I'm glad we could at least see inside it to know there's really nothing of any means.
Yeah.
Old trucks back there.
It's awesome how much nature just takes stuff back.
Sure is. Every time.
Concrete means nothing to me. Ian's here. See this stuff growing everywhere. He's so soft. I want to touch it. Stick one to bear. Is there an easier way?
That wasn't that bad.
I think you struggled really hard. Let go of me. There's these thistles right here. Hey thistles, please go away. You're terrifying. Don't film me jumping. If I fall, I'm gonna be pissed.
It's your light fixtures.
I got excited for a second. I thought we were about to be able to get in.
I did too. No, they got this place pretty sealed up. It's so long. What kind of ACs were they building?
Right? It's the local hangout spot. I think that was our cue.
Yep. Good time to sit down.
Well, here.
What?
Let's do the thing. Well,
Yeah.
all right. Well, everybody, if you find yourself here in the Olive Branch or Olive Hill, that's what it is, Olive Hill area, you can find this big abandoned air conditioning factory. It's pretty neat in there. Although it's empty, still pretty cool. You can enjoy trouncing through the forest as you get out as well. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's adventure and all the other ones that we've been having as well. Please leave a comment below telling us what you thought about today's shenanigans, and if you have any suggestions, leave a comment below telling us if you have any suggestions for things that you want us to check out or other places we should go see. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and check out our other pages also. Thank you everyone for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
How can we get out of here? Oh, we gotta go all the way around to get out.
It's crazy. Give me my feet.
I think we gotta go all the way around. No, I think we get out that one spot. Might be a little bit of a pain, but yeah, we're blocked off right
I
here.
hope we can get out.
That way.
There's no.
No.